Hi, and thanks for watching the demo of our email marketing software. In this short demo, we'll take a look at the system. We'll learn how easy it is to create and send an email campaign, as well as manage contacts and view statistics for campaigns that we send out. So on this screen, we call it the home screen. You can see across here we have a chart that shows contact activity across our list for the last 7 days. So there are a few different options here. We can see how many contacts have been removed from our list, confirmed, unsubscribed, bounced and forwarded over the last 7 days. We also have a getting started guide under here, which steps you through everything you need to do to set up and send your first email campaign. We have built-in help under this section over here. We also have a very intuitive help guide up here, which includes hundreds of articles that answer common questions about creating email campaigns, dealing with contacts, sending autoresponders, making sure your emails get delivered to your contacts, etc. Along the top here we have the main menu. You can see we have contact lists. Now contact lists are ways to group your contacts together, so you might store contacts for your trade show in one list and contacts from your website in another. Contacts along here, these are everything you can do with your contacts. Email campaigns, which is the actual content of the email that you'd send to your contacts. Autoresponders, which are automatic emails that you can schedule to be sent out to your contacts automatically at specific time intervals after they join your list. Custom fields, which are used to store personalization data for each contact, so their first name, last name, age, country, interest, whatever you like basically. You can create all different kinds of fields, which we'll look at soon. Website forms, which allow you to accept contacts by putting a form on your website that they can fill out. And also campaign statistics, which can all be done from here. So in this demo, let's look at a few contact lists we've created. So you can see here I've got a list called newsletter subscribers with 3,930 contacts. I can click view contacts and see all of my contacts along here, and I can page through them like this and see all their details. I can hit view next to a contact to view their details. I can also edit a contact and make any changes to their details and hit save. So under here we have a list of email campaigns. You can see we've set up some sample campaigns here. We have one in here for a trade show. You can see the templates are very professional and they include everything you need to actually send out a campaign. You can also create a new campaign, which we'll do quickly now. So everything's done in a simple wizard-based interface. I'll choose one of the included templates. You can see here that we have templates for all different types of industries. I'll select this template. So when you create a campaign, you can put in the subject line. And in this simple to use editor, you can put in your company details, upload images and change the text to whatever you like. Emails can also be personalized, so you can put in the first name, last name, email address of each of your contacts just by clicking the insert a custom field button and choosing from these different fields that are shown here. When you create a campaign, it shows up here, and that's how it'll look when it's actually sent to your subscribers or contacts. So as I mentioned before, all of our contacts are under here, and by using custom fields we can create different fields which our customers can fill out, or contacts, to store their personal details. So let's create a new one called age. We'll assign it to our leads for sales team and hit save. Let's also create another one called interest. Put in a few values in there, sort them alphabetically. Again, we'll assign it to our leads for sales team. Now we've created a few custom fields, so when we come to add a contact, you can see that we can fill in the details for each of those fields here. So we can put in the email address there, and hit save, and we can keep adding contacts. We can also import contacts from a file by uploading it here, or we can actually create a website form to place on our website. So let's do that now. So in here we can choose which fields we want to include on the website form list, and we can also rearrange the fields just by dragging and dropping like this. It's all very simple. We can specify details for the confirmation page and the confirmation email which we can send, as well as the thank you page and thank you email which they'll be shown after they join our list. So once we've created the form, we get the HTML which we can simply put on our website. So we'll see how that looks now. Okay, so you can see here that I've added the contact form to my website, so I can simply fill in some details. You can see here that all of the fields I chose to include on the website form are included. When I hit subscribe, I'm added to the list. Now if we view contacts for the list, which was Leads for Sales Team, you'll see that the details I typed in are all shown here, so I've been added to the list successfully. So once we're on a list, we can actually send an email campaign, which we can do through here. So if you view a sample campaign that we created earlier, we can actually send that, which we'll look at now. Okay, so after we've created a campaign, we can simply click on the send link under the email campaigns tab to actually send that campaign. Now we can choose to send it to everyone in our list, only contacts who match certain search criteria, or contacts in a segment, which is a way to filter multiple lists. So we'll send it to our sales team, hit next. Hit next again. That's all we have to do. When we hit schedule my email campaign, it'll be scheduled to be sent out, and you can see on here it's scheduled to send out in 4 minutes. Once it's sent out, we can go to the statistics tab up here. We can view statistics, and we'll see a complete overview of how many people opened our email, which links they clicked on, how many emails bounced, how many people unsubscribed from our list, how many forwarded it to a friend, and everything like that. So the application includes very detailed stats, and it allows you to get a complete overview of everyone looking at your campaign and responding to your email as well. So that's the basics of the new email system. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. If not, we look forward to you coming on board.